Foundation. A very, very warm welcome. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And they have received a total amount of 41,74,764.65. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. 3,68,980.6. Of course, not all of them are here, but the beneficiaries are Paulina, Krista, Rolin, Jesse B, Tame, and Matthew.
Sir. Thank you.
Yes, they deserve. Thank you so much. The basket contains some indigenous products of the state. We would also like to fill honor for us. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, Rangbah is doing the honors for us. Thank you, ma'am. And yes, we would be Dr. Harish Hande, CEO of the Kyntiew Foundation. Thank you guys. May I request Dr. Vijay Kumar D, IAS CEO and
Saloni, who is the ED of MBMA, swappers from various other banks, entrepreneurs, officials from various departments. We were just discussing, I think whenever we do a government program and whenever we do a exciting government, sometimes it's just when we enter the hall. So the rain gods are again abundantly blessed. All gathered here to celebrate rural entrepreneurship. Highlight, I keep saying this because it's very important to know where guidance under your clear direction. Not just job seekers was your main message, was the slogan that we should, government becomes the agency or government becomes the 2019 we launched the Prime program. And today, when we look at the 6-year journey of the Prime Urban, we have a Prime Rural, we have a Prime Collectives. In that, there every year we do a challenge, sir. If you remember, we started again in August of 2019. Challenge, it's competitive. Lot of applications come, about 1,000 applications come. Prime Urban, there are a couple more new things that you have introduced in the last 2 years, which is an application-based support, which is 3,000 people. And we are hand-holding all these people to build up enterprises. So people are walking into those centers and they are figuring out. Then we have the Prime Collectives, which are the large, interesting modes. And again, this comes from one of the review meetings. When you did one of the review meetings, you people who don't understand how to participate in a competition or how.
The screen behind me, as you can see, has about 200 plus. Different brands, and these are the brands that have been created through this Ruralpreneur program, and therefore now these are all different brands. And as you can see, earlier these people did not have this kind of brand, but today these brands have been created. So like this, we are hopeful that we'll be able to create a better identity for the different entrepreneurs, and that will allow them to be able to sell their products in a much better manner. Thank you.
Some of the entrepreneurs.
Yeah. Just let me take one single. Okay. Single? No, they've already come. Once I take a picture. Come back, everyone. Come back, everyone, please. Come. Yeah. Okay? Yes, sir. Great. Thank you. One single.
We also want.
Oh, it's a 1, 2, 3. That we have approximately 70,000 to 80,000 youths who enter the workforce every year in Meghalaya. And if you look at the different government jobs, maybe about 1,500 to 2,000 jobs at the max may be there every year, which obviously means that the rest of the 68,000 youths, the jobs have to be created for them. And hence, entrepreneurship is the only way forward. And that's why we started the Prime program in 2018-19. And now we started this Rural Entrepreneurship program. This is the only way for us to be able to create value, to be able to create jobs, and to have overall economic development in our state. So therefore, you're absolutely right. This has been our policy and our intention. And today we are very happy that this program has reached to this level where hundreds of entrepreneurs are benefiting, and we hope that we can help and support many more entrepreneurs in the future.
Can the government can shift it to other district of the state to innovate, to motivate the youth to get in livelihood program?
That's exactly what this program is. As I mentioned, this program is happening in multiple blocks in different districts of the state. And we are engaging directly with the entrepreneurs of the villages and that particular district and that block. And as I said, we will continue to expand it. It's not very simple because it requires a very strong mechanism, support, staff, and a process has to be in place. And every business is different, so you have to adapt when you have to start to promote the businesses. So it's very complicated. But 2.5 years have taught us a lot, and I hope that in the coming years we'll be able to support many more entrepreneurs. And as I said, through this process, I'm sure that this will lead to huge economic progress and development as well as creation of jobs.